Hi, I'm Andy Peterson. I've got a small apple orchard here in southern Maryland that this year is particularly loaded with a lot of nice apples. These are Fuji's we're looking at. And when you have a lot of apples in southern Maryland, you also get a lot of European Hornets. And the choice is to spray the apples to try to kill the hornets, or the friendlier way is to go ahead and build hornet traps. Here's a hornet trap I've got on this Gala apple. It's just a 2-liter bottle that's got the funnel and the top inverted in it with a little rain cover filled with a fermenting liquid. And fortunately that fermenting liquid attracts hornets but not honeybees. So it's pretty specific to hornets and wasps and leaves the honeybees out of the equation. And right now it's practically filled with dead European hornets. And instead of eating my apples, they're down here drowning in the juice. I'm going to show you how to make one of these bottles. It's pretty simple, very effective. You make a hornet trap. 2-liter soda bottle, twine, scissors, a knife, and for the fermenting mix I use some cheap fruit juice, beer, yeast, water, a little bit of sugar. The first step is I want to cut the top off this soda bottle and just use a sharp knife to poke a hole in here, and then use a pair of scissors to cut around the top. And you'll end up with something like this once the label is removed. All I want to do is be able to reverse the top, and so it's inverted inside the bottle. Nice comfortable fit, provides a one-way path for the hornets. Next, I want to put a couple holes in the bottle so I can hang it by a cord. Just warm up the tip of a hanger. It's nice red hot. One hole. Two holes. Okay, stop. All right, I've tied this twine onto the bottle so it holds it approximately vertical. Put a knot a few inches above, and I just took some Chinese carry-out plastic tub, burn a little hole in the top as I did for the sides of the bottle, and that'll be my rain cover. All you need is an inch gap, 2 inch gap, and that'll protect it from most of the rain. So we just fill up the bottle and we're ready to go. Yeast, just a dash of yeast, teaspoon of sugar, and about equal parts beer, cheap fruit juice, in this case apple juice, appropriate. Water, give it a swirl, and with today's 90-degree temperatures, that's going to be fermenting by tomorrow, and that's what's going to attract the hornets. So it's just a matter of putting a cap on. I use a little S-hook to suspend it from a branch, and I'm ready to go.